So what does the journey to financial independence actually look like? Well, welcome to this money moment, and Buddha's not with me because I'm out of town. So it's just me today. Here's the deal. Step number one is decide to make it a priority. I mean, really decide to make it a priority. Too often we talk about financial independence and we're interested in it, but we don't prioritize it. We don't commit to it. So that's the first thing. Number two, the quickest way to build wealth is to have additional income that you can use to create a portfolio of investments. I call that the money machine. So find a way, number two is to find a way to create additional income, whether it's selling your expertise, your knowledge, your wisdom, or stuff, whatever it is, create an additional income stream. Number three, create a money machine, a portfolio from that income machine. And number four, stay the course. All right, stay the course. It is a long-term game. So that's the journey to financial independence. Make sure that you make the commitment to be there. All right, if you want help, let me know.